we have last discussed the equality of set. Now I am taking one example for the equal set. How the questions of equal sets comes out in an examination. From the sets given below, select equal sets. Select equal sets. Let A 2, 4, 8, 12. B 1, 2, 3, 4. C 4, 8, 12, 14. D 3, 1, 4, 2. E -1, 1. F 0, A. G 1, -1. And H 0, 1. This is a very simple question, but for better understanding of the concept, we have to take it. Please see, we are given, I think 5, 6, 7 or 8 sets. Now we have to see which of the following two given sets are equal. As I have earlier said, मैं बार बार आपको अब तक की स्टडी में ये बताते आ रहा हूं कि सेट की दो बातें हमेशा ध्यान रखिएगा जो मैंने पीटीआर के रूप में लिखवाई. पॉइंट टू रिमेंबर, वन इज नो एलिमेंट इन ए सेट शुड रिपीट. अगर कोई एलिमेंट सेट में रिपीट कर रहा है तो वो सेट डिफाइंड ही नहीं है इन स्टडी, इन टीचिंग्स ऑफ द मैथमेटिक्स. दूसरी बात मैंने बताई, ऑर्डर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन ए सेट इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट. दे शुड बी इन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर और व्हाटएवर दे एग्जिस्ट, but the element should have number. Their number should be same and the element should be same. Now let us take BA. So 2, 4, 8, 12. We see that 2, 4, 8, 12. If there exists, no, there is not exist. So A is not equal to any of the given set. There. Now we take B. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4. So this conclusion B equal to D. That is the answer. B equal to D. The first two given set are B equal to D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 4, 2. Now all other sets no. Now we come to C. 4, 8, 12, 14. If there are any numbers with these same numbers, no. Now this T has been equal. E. This is E. -1, 1. Here order is 1 -1. So therefore E equal to C. So these are the two equal sets. Now 0A, there is no set involving 0A. ठीक है. Other again, there is no set involving 0, 1. So in this configuration, in this set of sets, यानी कि in group of sets, we have only two relations which give you equality of two sets. That is B equal to D and E equal to G. So that is the equality of set. In this session, we will discuss the subset and the very important concept, subset of a set. Please take it very seriously, not casually. It is a very important topic of chapter set. बेटा हर चैप्टर में कुछ ना कुछ 5%, 10%, 15%, अप टू 20% थोड़ा सा ट्रैक जो होता है वो थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट होता है, बाकी रफ होता है, बाकी 80% स्मूथ होता है. किसी में 5% टिपिकल होता है या रफ होता है तो 95% स्मूथ होता है, किसी में 2% होता है, किसी में 20% होता है. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई भी चैप्टर जो है टोटली रफ हो और ऐसा भी नहीं है कोई भी चैप्टर टोटली स्मूथ हो. देयर मे एग्जिस्ट 1%, 2% some rough portion. So it is the rough portion of set. Please take it No, don't take it casually. Please take it seriously. Now, subset of a set. Let A and B be two sets. Then A is said to be subset of set B, subset of set B, if each and every question, each and every element of set A belongs to set B. If each and every element of set A belongs to set B. For example, let A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As each and every element of set A belongs to set B, that is, then A is subset of set B. It is mathematically written as A is subset of B. This is symbol of subset of B. This is the closed portion towards A, towards the smaller set, and it is the open portion to the bigger set. And also it is said to be, but it is not our in range, B is superset of A. It is subset of A and B is superset of A. But we will not discuss further on that word superset. We will discuss just A is subset of set B. Now properties of there are some properties of subset. Properties of subset, because these properties will help us in solving the problems on the subset. The properties of subset are necessary for discussing each and every questions on the subset. Properties of subset हमारे हर क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने में हमें हेल्प करेगी. So that is the property of subset. Number 1, every set is subset of itself. Subset of itself. Every null set is subset of every set. Every null set is subset of every set. Two equal sets are subset of each other. Two equal sets are subset of each other. Number of subset for a set. Number of subset for a set having an element are 2 की power n. Collection of all subset, again subset को collection किया. Collection of all subset for a set is called collection of all subset for a set is called power set. As power set is collection of subset, तो power क्या होता है? Power means शक्ति. तो किसी भी सेट की जो पावर होती है वो उसके सबसेट होते हैं. जैसे हमारे पास पावर मनी से आती है, मसल से आती है, मैन पावर, मनी पावर, अदर पावर. तो किसी भी सेट की पावर जो है वो उसके सबसेट है. We'll take one examples for subset. ठीक. A, let A. 1, 2, 3. I will find maximum possible subset for a given set. Now this is the given set. I have to take all the subset. So that is the 5. As null set is subset of every set. Again we take the single element 1. This is called singleton set. I forgot to explain the singleton set. I will explain further. 3. Now we take combination of 2, 2. We will not take 2, 1 because it is the same set. 1, 3, 2, 3, and that is 1, 2, 3. So what I have said, what I have explained in properties of subset, the same thing comes here. Null set is subset of every set is subset of itself, and these all subsets which I have written here, they belongs to this set. So what this is the subset of this is the subset of this. So these are the all subset of for this element. Now this A, we call it P for power of A. That is the power set of A. If we collect, if we bound, if we take all these subsets together in a group, if they are scattered, that they are not member of A. अगर मेरी पावर छिपी हुई है, मेरे रिलेटिव, मेरे पास फ्रेंड्स 10 फ्रेंड्स हैं और कोई फ्रेंड्स मेरे बेड टाइम में कलेक्ट नहीं हो पा रहा, तो इट मीन्स आई हैव नो पावर. But in the same sense, if these all subsets are scattered, but that this is not the power of set. So if we bound them, if we collect them, if we bound them in a bracket, that is 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So if we collect all the, again in curly bracket, so this becomes the power of set. Also I have explained one property, 2 की power n. Now there are the 3 elements and 2 की power 3, 8. There should be 8 members, 8 subset for a set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If there are 4 members, then we will have 16 subset, that is the collection of 16 subset, and that is called power set. Now we can set that this set 1, also a relation like this, belongs A. Now belongs power A. This is not a belongs A, but this one is subset of A. So there are differences between these two things. This is a set. Here, this is a member of this power set, but here, this is the subset of A. So this is the relation between the member and family, and this is the relation between two sets. This denotes the relation between member and a set. This is the member and this is a set. But this simple subset, this denotes, this clarifies, this predicts the relation between two sets. This is also a set, then this is also a set. When there is a relation between two sets, then the sign of subset comes out. And when there is a relation between a member and set, then sign of belongs to come out. As one type of set is left out, that is called singleton set. A set having single element, is called singleton set. Singleton set. For example, A x is a natural number between 3 and 4, 3 and 5. So there is one natural number between 3 and 5, and that is 4. So this is called singleton set. So this is all about the type of set, properties of set, subset of set,